I told you in my house that it's my bed. This is the kids' bed because we are four kids. I mean we are four families. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me. And we don't fit in that bed, so we in and this is the kids' bed now. My gosh, yeah. Yeah, and that is my mom's and dad. That is my mom and dad bed. Yeah, and there's my mom working in his computer, and look at the nice view up here. Wow. And that is our school uniforms. And this is the stairs. I'm gonna be careful in here. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Okay.
Gutom na, Luna?
And this is our dog, Luna. And that is our speaker. And this is our table, and this is our living room right here. Yeah, and that is my bag over there. Yeah. And my house is so nice, and that is the outside look at the outside. Yeah, it's so hot outside though. Woo! And that is for the video. Bye, and please hit the like button over. Oh my gosh, over. I think the is the like button over there, right? Maybe hit the like button, please, and hit the subscribe button over there. Bye.